I know y'all be seeing a lot of my videos, right? But y'all see my facial expression right here. Oh, yeah, it's just me, you know? YouTube, what's going on, man? It's Nice Swag. Welcome back to another video. As by the title, we are going to be getting a brush session in. I don't know how long it's going to be, but I want to get a brush session in. For all my fellow wavers out there, anybody that would like to join along with this brush session, grab your brushes. As you can see, I got a whole plethora. So we're going to grab a couple brushes. I don't know what we're going to do, and we're going to get this brush session in. First and foremost, I'd like to thank my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, and I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Let me show you what I'm looking like, and we're going to get right into it. Yes, sir. All right, we're going to start off with the medium, the Saints Row. If you're from the pages and the wave pages, you know what this is. We're going to start with the Saints Row, and then we're going to go from there. I'm looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it. That's just me. When I got my, tongue out or whatever, I'm focused on whatever I'm doing. The world don't see this content, but you do. Because y'all my family. Y'all my subscribers. That's it. You dig? The more you brush your waves, the better they will become. That's it. Time will get it done. So all I do is grab a mirror, look in the other mirror, and brush my hair. That's all I do. Okay, we finished using that medium. Now we're gonna jump to this medium curve by Brush King. You dig? Get a couple more laps and then call it. Let go. Ladies and gentlemen, man, we was getting it in. Look at that light sweat right there. I love y'all, man. Thank you all. Thank you all. My haters, you my motivators. I will never stop. As long as God is giving me breath in my body, I will not stop. I know you mad. I know you mad, but guess what? I'm glad. I'ma pray for you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the motivation. Thank you for the energy. May God bless you all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's plastic bag this thing. Lay all these hairs down real quick. The plastic bag will add shine to your pattern, you know? All right, ladies and gentlemen, as always, at the end of every video, let's rag up. If you do not know how to rag up, I'll teach you how to rag up. Simply, take your do-rag, bring it around your forehead, wrap it around, and hold this string right here. Then take the other one and put it over it. Bring that around. Now when you get here, take these strings and tuck it. There is no knot in the back of our do-rag. See that? Simply take your straps, Roll them up. Now we tie a knot in the back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you are new to the channel and have not subscribed down below, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow so much. As always, I thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I thank every single one of you. Until next video, y'all stay blessed and God bless.